Hi, what's up guys? In today's video, I will show you how to create progress bar in your WordPress blog using WPBakery page builder. To add a progress bar in your post or page, first you need to log in to the dashboard. Once you successfully logged into your website, go to posts, select post in which you want to add progress bar and click on edit with WPBakery page builder. Now click on backend editor. Scroll down under the blog, click on this plus button, go to content and select progress bar widget. Now here you can add progress bar title. Now change values. Click on this arrow. You can change the label, change value, and you can also change progress bar color. Now collapse this development value by clicking on this arrow button. Now open second, change value and bar color. Collapse it and open third, change value and add change color. Collapse it, save changes and preview. Scroll down. Now you can see the progress bar was added. Now we will add the count. Go back to editor, click on edit progress bar, scroll down, add units value. I'm selecting 100%. Scroll down. You can also add CSS animation like bounce in. Just save changes and preview. Scroll down. Now you can see the counter was added like 80%, 50%, 100%. Now go back to editor, edit it. Now we will animate it little bit. For this, from options select stripes and select on animation. Change color to blue. From design option you can add margin, border or padding. Let's add border. And change color of border to black. Now save changes and preview. Scroll down. Now you can see the animated progress bar was added. That's how you can add progress bar in your blog by using WPBakery page builder. Hope you learned something from this video. If so, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.